A new encampment in the ByWard Market is highlighting the urgent need for housing and permanent solutions to a growing crisis in Ottawa and across the province. The small encampment is on George Street, right across from the Salvation Army, between Dalhousie and Cumberland Streets. CTV's Katie Griffin is here with more on this. Katie.
Well, Patricia, right now 3 tents are on the median. It is sent to be dismantled tomorrow, but the area councillor says action should have been taken sooner and is calling for long-term strategies. This encampment near the heart of the ByWard Market, a growing concern for the area councillor.
They've been there, I believe, since Wednesday last week, and the encampment has grown.
Stephanie Plant says she spoke with those in the tents. They're clients of the Salvation Army. The encampment is set to be dismantled on Friday.
Hopefully they were offered housing. Our dismantle policy at the city is to be offered housing, but that doesn't stop the Salvation Army from asking them to leave as well,
which she says it refused to do. In a statement, the Salvation Army says it shares the councillor's concerns about people living in tents and that its outreach team remains in daily contact with those sheltering in tents to offer support, service, navigation, and where possible, connections to housing. This comes as groups rallied at City Hall against a provincial bill that would crack down on encampments and public drug use.
Where do we expect people to go? There's no place safe if they are using to use with the closure of the supervised injection sites. And I just, as much as I realize the intention of these bills, none of this is going to help people.
It is a lack of investment that has happened in housing and mental health and treatment for many, many years. This is a public health crisis as much as it is a homelessness crisis.
The city says encampment residents are offered shelter services, health and social supports, and assistance in securing safe, stable housing, and that the decision to dismantle an encampment is only made once all efforts to support the person have been exhausted. Plant says long-term solutions are urgently needed.
Nothing that's happening right now is not solvable, but it just goes to show that we need all levels of government to really prioritize housing and whatever budgets they're putting forward on this file.
The city says it's working with its partners to ensure compassionate care and support when the tents are dismantled. Patricia.
CTV's Katie Griffin live for us tonight. Thank you.